Mobia action sanso mobibia akwaba embra Coastal TV morning mix dwumadie no eso sene de bia ye ne no ene so yatenase ye wo town a chese ye ba bedi dwuma no fefe so nkoso kra nti bomodin se wodi wafidie no ebeto eye Coastal TV digital channel no eye 514 sanso ena wo hwe e wo Facebook ene YouTube so a wonsa ebekan so ko Facebook na se o hwe Coastal TV a o de type Coastal TV patch of a keep coastal so ani na say YouTube so a o de ka say Coastal TV emfa keep coastal kan obenya e wo ho say unya link no so a na wa send am obi forward dem obi wo question and na say contribution bia so a ja e wo comment section no as na fe sa thumbs up icon na da ho no boso maye ani na ina ye ni Sene medin kan no memo akwa besan so emawache Coastal TV morning mix dwumadie enene yede ebrel ene July da etoso dunan 14th July 2026 nyame ayadom enno ameka cho se divine selection no ebi kan a ebesan so ehia biem nyame ayadom divine selection bi akan ye ama yenya ahoden etimi kasa etimi nante bibia enye yemfa yenkoto emergency ward yemfa aseda mo tumfo nyankopon onna ma we nyina aye fefefe sene yehunu no wokoda ye nanka wan sorry a count me man no question bia say e ade na meda e man sorry na emu ono nkwa ne nim ye na oye ede emane ma me hye won kran so se bomode an se oni ye ebetena fiti se meya kopem se nondu ebebo in fact enne edemu ni nyina no woni ye entina si ewie morning mix so a wa wonim se ne ye no ofia se ye wo other programs ye very nice a ya hyehya ye de bro menya sure se obepese emu bia ebeparo ho nti bomode na woni ye entina midin a wode frame ya mejeso ye AFIBA ESSIEN and mene Omar bin Abdallah say if one poma de finance where from ofia say ye mienu na ye miensampo ene ebedi dwumadi ho chiame na yentoa dwumadi no so na efe ye sha ase no yemfa ye motivational message yen hye ye hu kran ansana yesi mountain so say ye ko yedwuma yesi mountain so say ye ko school na ye ko baby a enti no anopai nyame ayadom so yankasa ye maame anti gifty ye ka che no say ye dana ase bi mrabiem ebi ababiem na obema ye motivational message obehye ye nkran anopai na afei yetimi atwa yedwumadi a yedi no ene no esunti ye bekọ ne nchen na yakọ akwaje ye motivational message ansa na no momento aso na memfa asedai emfa ma Abrokwah a omaso yasin National Petroleum Authority NPA sanso ena diesel gift shop Patmo Print ena Nesto Ventures ena the taste kitchen services and so as I say and an pay ye de morning mix dwumadie no ye de ebro ena ye benada ebedi epo no nkomo nti bomodin na woni ye entina ansa na no ye nje motivational message na ye ba ye beto aso
ebusiafo omohona akwaba na omohona achi medase da ohumdin hone fi ato Coastal TV ne pensu wa ye mechefa da ye bechi rat na asam ya hye hu nkwan ne pe ye hwe bibie fi Joshua it's ESSIEN ESSIEN the second pattern portrait makano potokasim ma okay there Joshua commanded the army shout for the Lord has given you the city. Joshua commanded the army shout for the Lord has given you the city. Mpeda mekau miuke chikakra Joshua one command the army just like that too. He was given the instructions from God Almighty for what? nyankopon man instruction as to how a wobotum we do one promised land the rather catch on there other no the land that was flowing or is okay on there is flowing with milk and honey na nyankopon no promise other no one fan trada o ansa no wobodo assassin dream na walk a sibi wajeje ho nti that wall no na ode obefom na onu ne radze omma Joshua directions omma na kwantre onye wall a na ode wakava bulldozer na wozibo bubun onye wall a woze hammer na chisel na azoboko na woze ikobubun na mum oye wall e radze ka eche wonde won fa nyum tofo nze enyim enya asodafo no enya asodafo no because onye physical ekon it was a spiritual battle enti asodafo no woze echi na nyum tofo woze enyim no wori ye radze ayo no wotwa wall no mpenesia dem na radze na kwantre no te ma da otodo eson no okay Joshua the what dan no ho wall no ho esia moto de son no won na wo bototo benton won bom kase no won kasa edom tutu no won come that was the instruction won come I don't think there will come general will come man would ye radzayo the means in a pemas America showing there it could be the one so bibia every year ejumamu aworumu wherever nzeme bia nyankopon aka for one a owodo obum your promised land bibi esi kwan wall bi wo ho dam wall no owode obafom ana ebisi raza kwantra ebeye dan na dam wall we bu me etuma ko promised land no do bia na afọ kon bi mponye raza na kwan osanda nkofi wo hu wall no so ya nwana nkote a njame sure de Joshua aminu wo bubu wo kwen wo bu wallen one kasa was one was in bun ne radze oma was in jumto. And sometimes when you are going through some of these problems, some of these challenges, say one let's say into minyamu bibiara, don't worry yourself, praise and worship she radze nyam koduna tontonan odum bibia ode ikem ne na to the na ye no akoso the walls will come down. And just know for sure that the promised land no oya wota eradze waka zemebia waka afọ ohun obebem papa you should be able to listen to him or they saying ne humor control as to how to overcome the obstacle. The wall was an obstacle. Once was in moto Joshua na no domon was in moto was ayeyi to troben to ka ho wo coming wo no obubi onye da no obokon kra onya physical wanko physically into wotumi won hinim woko ho promised land in the pema maka chawen your promised land is there for your taking but as to which method you use is what matters into kwirate wo bisana kwantre ebi ohoda ode yina yo or they worshiping bompe ne hwenenyim obomo akwantre na etum ma walls no we bu egufum na ahia no promised land yamen kan ho nyamin shro onkodo anya okase no onkrawdo Susan medasi pi de mama kwenja otidam nyamin shro
yabeda anti gives you ase anope yenso yada ase pa se wetimi ede nkranhye nsama mu hwamete se wode ababe sumye anope efe yenti enyum na yebeba sisia
boniche mabo. Meso madisia juju. Fami boni nyina chamyo. Mi nipo mi amiro. Fami boni nyina chamyo na mi nipo mi amiro. Odi boniche mabo. Somebody said juju, for me burning in a jam, yo. For me burning in a jam, yo. Adumurena sunsumpo. Fami boni chemi Maja sunsumpo Ulami amro Fami boni chemi Minyami
So why you born here true, my boy? One change senior was your breath na my boy. For me born na chamiona, a jack the end the part, the me a for me born na free me jack the end the part me a Adumrena zuzumbo unamyano fami boniche Maje zuzumbo unamyano fami boniche Adumre fajamyo manante, my bro.
Me happy.
We sell gift shop, a place you can rely on. You call on us and we'll deliver. Thank you.
National Petroleum Authority say, Mawo bambo hu hia ukane. Ain't no, stay back and stay safe. National Petroleum Authority ebo bibia kokose se fuel tank enya akwanhia na edane a menko ho nkwaye wadwen se okosisa petrol anafa ngo no e na afin so menye wadwen se wo ben fuel tank enya akwanhia ne ho akwa akodwetwa videos ana pictures na petrol anafa ngo wo hwen so uhua ko wo mu a enye sunsun aso bone e wo apomeden sem so fango so e ho ahometinti no enfom so okitu ebi ebetumi amaja tom ama na gise ewom e ba ne sa nipa dodo timi femu hihye ehwe mo nkwa emeja pade dodo na nso esei eno nti memfa wo nkwa nto chacha enye sa obenu ho nkwa na nyina se wo hu se fuo tanka bi enya kwanhia na dane amafango no ebugu mpo a hwa na wa aman ho da. Stay back and stay safe. Emomo no aya fredum jejuma yefo ana posifo no momehwe nso ano wutumi nso efre National Petroleum Authority ewo 0302 550 380 kaise wonkwa wo hoi ehu hia bebre esensa afango no kokoboi National Petroleum Authority enede bro.
Niedi ho eye kasebo efe yenso aso na anopen so kasebo ayensa kai ofiase no yemfa ensum yetiefo ene yahwefo nti anopen ensama obete ebi ense eye Bank of Ghana abomodin etutuo anamo bi ede encheche ama omanfo bi tiche eye senior high school adesuafo yede emu amanebo ede ebeba bebremo sanso ene yebekwa kopiemu ewo MPP osunu kokokono amayoko no emu na ensensem bi a ekoso ewo eye Miracles Abwaje chia yekofo achino no yede emu amanebo ebe bremo sanso ena Vice President abomodin etutu anamo akwakopiemu ewo Ministry of Interior di asem ene course wo ho yede ni na ebe brem yebekwa adwaman so na efe yede eye fuel prices ahodo enen no ye wo no yede ni na asum nti bomodia na oni ye enche eye kasebo no enyina mesha se na mesha se ewo Bank of Ghana akache mpanyfo ede nhihye egu akwan mu a eboa ema abre no bia no omutimi ekọ miamia ejumako suku ahodo mu na omode encheche ede ekoma omanfo ne efre ne se financial literacy no Sika na ukita no currency na ukita no Ghana cedis na ukita no ewo se unhu ne ewo se woye ne ni se woye na efenso uwo sika nso a ne ewo se wodi sika ne ye ni se wodi sika ne ye nyina no ewo se abre no bia no mbomodin na omo cheche omanfo ne sent no omo ahyase a omo kọ senior high schools ahodo no emu esanse omo gidi se wo hyase ntema na akwala no odi ebenyini ne sent no omo ahyase a omo di dwuma bi etesa senior high schools ahodo no emu empanyfo a ekọ bank ekọ senior high schools mu na omo di se edwuma no omo echeche nsemu eche nsentwefo senti a omo edi sa anaso mutu sa anamo a etise.
The bank has been carrying out a lot of financial literacy activities. We've been doing market women. We have been on radio, on television. We've been on social media, educating the public on their rights and their responsibilities, what they need to know when it comes to products and services that are provided within the banking sector. Now, we've thought of having this also for our second cycle institutions. The idea is to catch them young. We want to imbibe the same knowledge with the kids. Once they go home, they'll be able to also explain some of the things to their parents, and they themselves will be able to make some sound financial decisions. So the bank, in its wisdom, decided that we should engage senior secondary schools students and then give them this kind of education.
Penny bakwa oka edom no na se team no ho amokọ school senior high schools meche Archbishop Porter Girls a ewo takrade na omo no omo ekodi financial literacy ho dwumadie na yete se okasa no sanso na adisuafo no so ebo moden ekasa ne omo susu aye ewo sancheche nyina emu.
The Bank of Ghana came to educate us on many things, and what intrigued me the most is how to cater for our Ghanaian city. So today, I learned that there are special features on the Ghanaian cedi that makes blind people to be able to recognize the currency they are using by feeling it, making them very inclusive and teaching us how to care for our currency, such as not folding it, not using it for money bouquets and other stuff, which was very educational.
I have learned that I am not to share my PIN code or anything concerning my logins to anyone.
I can attest to the fact that today's program was a very impactful one, and I believe it's going to have a very significant impact in my life.
Yentu akasebo no eso ewo ensem fufuro mu na memfa wonkopie mu ewo MPP amanyoko no emu na nanse ya na enya nitie in fact last weekend ya Saturday na nitie eba se miracles abwaje yekofo ababe fano akọ omo akache ai besi ne no omo enyi no ema no ma abontin we ekoye nsem bebre ema MPP amanyoko no ema no ebi ebo twi ekọ yekofo akache se omo kwa akoye oyekire na omo ejai miracles abwaje amano akọ eno ene koye nsem bebre acheso obia ekabi obia nso ema nchimu na mpanyifo a ekoye na omo kokopie ho no so bebre na enetimi ekasaye eche nsentwefo na omo chem ni enti a omo fi se saa niye no entwaye deputy spokesperson for Baumia campaign Dr. Ekwa Amwako ekasaye efa miracles abwaje eche a yachino no eho.
Also aware that he had already been invited by the Economic and Organized Crime Unit. He had honored that invitation twice, so there's absolutely no need for him to have been picked up
like this year.
Yes, for him to have been picked up on Saturday, only for no interrogation to happen. Obviously, nothing has happened up until Monday. It's quite obvious that this is an attempt by the government to intimidate the opposition. This is not the first instance. These kinds of arrests have been happening essentially since the NDC government took power, and if you are aware or familiar with the history of this country and the kind of things that happened during the PNDC era, it is a little unsettling, especially for me who has experienced that or have familial ties of people that suffered under that regime, and so to be subjected to that kind of treatment again is quite unfortunate.
ne ekwomani bi so eka ene se efitemra ye che miracles abwaje ede ne call eye iyekofo akache no obia embisa ne hwe wi entoto nanompo ne ehu se waye wei ananso se waye wei na mfaso bempo ene woso se ye beba be che no ede no akọ eye iyekofo akache na ebinum so esusu se MPP eye Mr NDC abanya otisui opese nkofo ebe kasafa ne tetem na o hwehwe no ehunti na opese oye bibi na yadwen enkoso se bibi sa na ekoso.
It stands now, the even interrogation has not started. Interrogation has not even started. From Saturday that he was detained up to date, there has not been any interrogation. So the question you ask yourself, then what was the purpose? What was the need of keeping him in custody from Saturday to today? What are they seeking to achieve? What are they seeking to achieve? But we know that with all that is happening, there is a hidden agenda, an attempt to divert attention from what the president is seeking to do by seeking for a third term as president. He doesn't want Ghanaians to talk about it. He doesn't want Ghanaians to comment about it. So therefore, let's throw in something that will divert attention. But Mr. President, you cannot be Mobutu Sese Seko of Ghana. You cannot be Idi Amin of Ghana. The constitution is clear. 2 terms is 2 terms.
Coastal TV morning mix eye kasebo eso na uguso a wohwe na etwabu ewe channel no eso channel 514 sanso na Facebook and YouTube so obehu ye ewo ho yetwa kasebo no so na ye call ensemfufro mu eye Her Excellency the Vice President of Ghana Professor Jane Nana Opoku Agyeman ebomodin etu anamo eko eye Ministry of Interior ene edwumayefo ene Minister eko di enkomo eko twetwe enkomo ewa kwanya onda so a edwuma bia omudi bia no ebekoye na esiye ama Ghana for sense enyina mpunto na ye hwehwe na ebra oju ho no na Minister for Interior Owura Muntaka okasa no na ochemi se enkanka ewo nubone ho no nema bebre na ekoso sense mpanifo no epese omudo omunan esifom na nkoba ne se omo a etwi nubone nko ana na police for ensabeso omumu nemo nkofo a eton nubone omo a eye nubone ho adwuma no so yebetimi ama emra no ene omadi.
We'll be able to tend 73 assets that are linked to people who are drug trafficking, because we are trying to move away from simply just getting those who are being caught either smoking or using it, but we are targeting those who are really bringing the drugs into our system. By the grace of God and the help of the Chief Justice, we'll be able to get a dedicated court to prosecute our narcotics, all narcotic offenses in a special court.
Owe no na Vice President ekasemu no ono so ehye se e wose oman mani nyina enye gidie ewo edwuma aban ene enyimakuo ni nyina edi emu enti no bibia e wose omo yese mra bi no mo be hye o sanhye bi no mo de begu akwan mu en beboa ama omanfo no enye gidie ewo ministry no emu no omo momode no mo nyane sa.
Must have faith in us. They must have so much faith in us that they want to collaborate with us because they believe in what we are doing. That in the end, it's about their own safety. So the perceptions are important. They may not even have any basis in objective reality, but they are important. We must be friendly. We must put ourselves out there for them to know that it's for their benefit that we exist.
Vice President Her Excellency Professor Jane Nana Opoku Agyeman na yete se wo kasano mayemo hwe na ife yenko adwaman so yemfa enne no fuel price ahodo ayewo no yemfa emesomo ene 14th of July 2026 no ubo ewura Frames Oil filling station bia na okasa wo top petrol 1 liter no one year 15 cedis 20 pesos and so and a diesel no ebema 16 cedis 35 pesos JP and so emma petrol and bono 15 cedis 20 pesos and a diesel no 15 cedis 77 pesos Zen filling station so bema petrol bono 15 cedis 20 pesos and a diesel no and so yeah 16 cedis 46 pesos na Shell filling station emma petrol bono 13 cedis 99 pesos and a diesel no 15 cedis 95 pesos. So to mo na okọ Guel filling station biadia petrol no boy no 4 Bacho fachame 12 cedis 79 pesos and a diesel no 15 cedis 35 pesos. Benab so emma petrol no 12 cedis 79 pesos and a diesel no 14 cedis 80 pesos. Wo Pacific filling station bia muso de petrol no bono 12 cedis 79 and diesel no 15 cedis 98 pesos. Star oil and so emma petrol bono 12 cedis 79 pesos and a diesel no 14 cedis 95 pesos. Na petrol and so emma petrol bono 11 cedis 98 pesos and a diesel no 12 cedis 98 pesos. Na way any for price and 14th of July 2026 no say okwa filling station bia say okwa akoto petrol and also say diesel a ubenya ewo ho filling stations ahodo so eka ho a ewo citywaste.com bomode say obekọ ho na onsabeka ni nyina yemfa kasebo ni na ema na wieye ewo ha sei na yentwa ye ho nya aboafo enkrato na fe ye ba ne aka nyina so ye de ebeba besomo.
We sell gift shop, a place you can rely on. You call on us and we'll deliver. Thank you.
National Petroleum Authority say, Mawo bambo hu hia ukane. Ain't no, stay back and stay safe. National Petroleum Authority ebo bibia kokose se fuo tank enya kwenhia na edane a menko ho nkwaye wadwen se okosesa petrol anafa ngo no na afin so menye wadwen se wo ben fuo tank enya kwenhia ne ho akwa kodwetwa videos ana pictures na petrol anafa ngo wo hwen so uhua ko wo mu a enye sunsun asobone ewo apomodensem so fango so eho ahometinti no enfom so akitu ebi ebetumi ameja tom amana gise ewom eba ne saa nipa dodo timi femu hihye ehwe mo nkwa emeja pade dodo na nso esei eno nti memfa wo nkwa nto chacha enye saa obenu ho nkwa na nyina se wo hu se fuo tanka bi enya kwanhia na adane amafango no ebugu mpa hwa na wa aman ho da stay back and stay safe. Emomo no aya fredum je dwumayefo ana posifoɔ no mo mehwen so ano wutumi nso efre National Petroleum Authority ewo 0302 550 380 kaise wonkwa wo hoi ehu hia bebre esen sa fango no kokoboi National Petroleum Authority ene de bro.
Always you make a way. No, your face. Oh, happy. Yeah, no, everybody say me. No, your face.
Yenso aso na afei de ubon krata yensa kan ofia ha no yemfa emesumo na ansa na yebeko eye de ubo enkrata no eso no ECG4 the announcement bi opia bontin a migidi se hu hia se yebeka chomanfo se na ebe ya no pay no unya surprise bia ewedwum ho wate ase na we no eba eye Saturday 11th of July 2026 na ochema ene no planned maintenance bi ebekoso ewo eye Cape Coast box supply point to improve service delivery near dia into no ene na sa light out no ebewaso time no 9 a.m. anopay 9 ekwapem enwumre 5 ense say betimi abade na emom no ne won krata so sesi a ne chese anopay 9 ekwapem enwumre 5 no yebedum kanea no enti no Cape Coast Metropolitan Assembly there, the whole of Cape Coast, yankania ebedum. Cape Coast na yankania ebedum. And na bia ebi to say KEEA, and na yamransa aseibu edumfa fante inyankuma se asemmanso asem kushia fosu township ni nyina efutu ka ho jokwa ka ho abrafo himan Briwa anomabo kromante ekrabaze mambo ni yana de achemewai pacho anomabo South Pond kromuni nyina mankasim so ka ho ena ejumako baby enye ejumako nye ejumako baby ekunfi esuishia ani ena eisam nanabe ena surrounding areas. Let's say it is an area we how we am register but you betimi edum light nti ene no obi amfa nto ne chim o pia bonte ana wa hwe enso wiem so enye fe enso na sha se petepete and the last time so fire service for me yet say we pie na senso no senso ta enfa wo say wo fia na wo ni fie senso ta dum fridge dum TV dum air condition esan say atorenche betimi esi ani se ewiemu ya basasa na wontan so nim se unni fie na wo kwa edwuma no dundumu bibia e be san so ma lighthouse entine ne dundumu bibia san na wakọ paja ya te ase ai wo ba na se wo fridge ase ya nkaka se na de bi ye mpesa ade na tie wa hase entino Coastal TV abo amane ye to aso na emfa de wo bon krata no emfa ensumo anope ye sha se e the Daily Graphic na Nation Mons Yana Abukari the second President Akufo-Addo Bawumia others pay tribute inti eneno okopiemu ewo northern region eye Dabon kingdom ni nyina no a omo manhene mamenka ne sa omo manhene ohene kese a wodi Dabon kingdom ni nyina eso no wada ne benkum so na oman ni nyina na etwa na President John Dramani Mahama former President Akufo-Addo ene flag bearer Bawumia for NPP ono omu nyina ene afofo bi eka ho so abomoden I express your condolences to the family and the whole nation sa ena etie ewo ehase ntino ene no oman ni nyina ena ehye kokko oman ni nyina ena so ena ehye tuntum simplepre ya me no kasa de omayi nipa esi na nemu eye ne first born no esi na nemu se ono no onhwe che kopem se yebeyi ya na foforo yebeyi ohene foforo ama no ahwe kingdom no eso anaso se o mine no so mamenka ne sa enti eno ne ensem bia koso a Daily Graphic or the ababetuja anopay yentu akasebono eso ewo Daily Graphic ehona na Oshem say government reaches final milestone in external debt restructuring. The abani shashaya all yes and ebe ya kakesi aye de no ebe free yeso no say no omeju final chapter no omeju final chapter enche kra no bibia ebeba no ewe DVLA pilot digital number plate system August 1 enti bosume August edi enimia no first day of August 1st DVLA the digital number plate na or yes or the ma a driver for ne ade no obe sha say or rolling out until a driver for binum ebenya digital number plate starting from August 1. Bono is secures 310 acres for government project. Okwabuno ESSIEN so a omoyi asase yantam bia eye 310 acres say aban no emfam di ne dwuma bi opeso odi no 24-hour market o whatever market o ne keka ka ho bia opeso nsi factory po asase no ho emfam di ne dwuma. Business and Financial Times and so as a free fertilizer returns as Cocoa Board research farmer report support into no Cocoa Board for abomodin aso ekuafo asen abra omo free fertilizers say omonfa ndi womo ejuma sanso and a government takes final steps in external debt restructuring no and also a World Business and Financial Times the update newspaper at the Miracles Abrokwah Enfoni Ebetwa say Dennis Miracles Abrokwah granted 50 million Ghana cedis bill and no Miracles Abrokwah Yamano bill ACECoR that's so 50 million Ghana cedis yo. Number 1 files a witness statement as court set July 17 for cross-examination in men's gold case. Into number 1 case no eguso a ekoso asese no court no say July 17th and a cross-examination yes to ye ho ano no ebekoso e court na number 1 ankasa nso e the witness aba se ne dance nini ono e na eba beka bi e de ama no ne ade a ti no nsem bi so a etwagu e wo ha sei Ghana clears final header bond restructuring in foreign eye into sovereign and also a restructuring debt Ghana kana ye hu enwuma no e wo ha sei ex IMCCOD accountant refunding money linked to alleged 55 million Ghana cedis fraud according to ESSIEN and ekasa say ex IMCCOD accountant bi ni Sika bia ekwo share esuma se ekwo efa obi nsase no se amene okasa eguso a wotu esika no back ani yemfa nche no enti eno ne ensem bi nso a ekoso ewo the update the ubon krata no eso call the Ghanaian Times and pay overhaul public transport now. Nation losing over 4 billion Ghana cedis yearly to poor system. Experts in transport in somehow and now or can say we obia onim transport jumedia no onim bi pa na or chem say abai no mama dia say enimanu ya no odehye ebegu akwema ebeboa ama renovation complete renovation akoso ewo Ghana ye transport system ne enkanka public transport system no emu esan say nima bia enkoyie ewo ho no ema every year bia no AFIBA no oman no ehwe sika eye 4 billion Ghana cedis AFIBA no ye hwe sika emodu ayetisa nti no expertise say abano emomodin emfuntum ye transport system no emu se na be ya nyema be foforo kra yo DVLA impounds 85 illegally imported vehicles and no DVLA omo abomodin edo omo nsa ato eye ahyen ahodo bi eye be 85 a chese jomune chese amfa mrakwan so ene bag na ha say amfa customs amfa ports efa nungu baby fiche baby obi ani mo hwe ene bedru ga na say nto omo do omo nsa ato sa cars ni na eso 85 no yana Mahama Abukari autosumieno lay to rest into no yana oze kremofode omo nshada enche omo efunisie ehu onyewu ya oni se eche bebre nti se no omo de omo akwakopa yana ekrabia achese omo akokata na chi kra and also Nsema Daily the Ghanaian Times the eba stronger deal structures key to unlocking mining finance na Stanbic Bank na ekase no mo chim say by mining sector no emu was say ye dealer etiapo dealer ejina ne nan so ye ne mining companies no aban any mining companies also mo ye mining deal eti apo se na be ya Ghana ebenya mfaso bebre e wo yankasa ye natural resources a edwumakuo no mining natural resources edwumakuo no etu no yanso ebenya mfaso kese pa e wo so Ochihine Osajefo Amwetia Oforipen Mons Person of Yana Abukari Aotaso mienu nti Ochihine enso ene omamunu ene Dabon Kingdom nyina esu etwa edwadwo esanse ye nyina na yahwe ade ode ni condolences akọ ama abusuafo Dabon ene omamunu nyina Dennis Miracles Abwaje others under investigation over alleged 55 million Ghana cedis public fund diversion. Into wenu every yoko for akache. Na omo eche mi se nti ayache Dennis anasa omo che Dennis Abwaje no ene se ono ene afofobi ena ehwehwemu ekoso ewo omo ensensem bi mo esanse ene susu se Sika bia 55 million Ghana cedis no omo achia na fa kwan foforo so ai sika nanka wo se enko left a omo de eco right na che se antwa yie nti eno ne nhwehwemu a yekofo epese omo ye NPP supporters mass up at Yeko to protest arrest nti no NPP supporters nso eto something eko Yeko se omo ebo enyo so say ya Miracles Abwaje ni wenu ya mo enja no manenko na Yokofo nso amani bill ya 55 million Ghana cedis. Is it 55? I think so. Acha say enoni bill term na yede amani 50 million Ghana cedis enoni bill yede ama Miracles Abwaje ewo ha say sanso na no pay say ukọ the archives newspaper no so or the ensemble ena ababetuja ewo hasei. All right, the archives and so as say NPP abandons Darling Boy or Katachi in custody, no visit, no solidarity protest, no ringleader nurses his wound. You na the archives and so say NPP amanyoko no e kama say omo ye yomani ama omo Darling Boy in quotation Darling Boy okatachi efrifa free say police for ensaka no say wakwakodi enyamansem bi ewo NPP abato ye mu no wakwakodi enyamansem bi ewo one of the polling stations na the archives say chema obi ankwa ankosra no obi ankwa ankwa protest na ye ewo Miracles Abwaje dey ring leader bi eni enima ode ni ti kwa akwaje akyerema se ye njai efrifa okatachi efrifa mani mbrefi na chese kama say omo ye atu na jeje mu omo ye neglected child into na eno nsem so ekoso ewo ahase. Yo Bole Bamboy NPP must unite for 2028 victory. Raphael Kuma and all chim say okwa Bole Bamboy say an NPP amanyo kuo no emanyina so mo kom ho bom sene beya 2028 including day ebeya omodia. Miracles accomplice refunding share of 55 million Ghana cedis loot, but Yoko insists voluntary repayment won't stop prosecution. Enti Yoko ena echem say nipa na omoka Miracles Abwaje ho enti e ma 55 million Ghana cedis no eyira wo edwaba ase no sankofo na complex ni na no omo refund omo de sa omo share of the 55 million Ghana cedis no omo de ba ai nemom no Yoko nso so kire say the fact say wotu sika no eno no kire say asotwe wo say ye de maw no ye mfa maw what you are there name asotwe wo ho no ye de ebemaw ane Mahama Cares reviews partnership with Cape Coast Teaching Hospital and Cape Coast Teaching Hospital in Tibetan and so any Mahama Cares committee no omo share omo enkita hudie na baby o say omo di ye no omo di ye eto no omo di ye ato ho nti eno so ene ensem bia ekoso ewo honum. Yo. The National Enquirer, Julius Debra, Chief of Staff, informing that her development must translate into better lives for citizens. Now, Ochemi say, Julius Debra, say, can impuntu any impuntu omanfo no efili o mabrabum. ane me so ya no pa na mitimi tokoko mitimi etua me lorry freight mitimi tua me light bill etimi tone o se me to abra me ho enchire me anu development no na say development no I translate it into me bottom nti eno so ne nsema course so ewo ha say cocoa board blocks fertilizer diversion yo enti no nkrofo bi ana nka hihye suma sa na mo pese fertilizer ya cocoa board ya na adwo so de kwa akoma ekuafo ya nka mo pese se be ko gold ya nko kona no se be ko ekuafo ho de anka mo fa emfa koti kwan bi so na nka mo fa beebi no cocoa board se obosisa ne mani nyina anokwan ani enti eno so ne ensembia ekọ so e wa say Mahama Care and Cape Coast Teaching Hospital nsem no eno so the National Enquirer e de about daybreak say AFIBA meet media today NPP national chairmanship race enti no Paul Afoko e say one incentral for one sem kan bi enti no ato nsa first obi amra na omomedi ehyiemu. Clean up exercise. GJA commends government Zoom Lion media. Okay, and you know GJA Ghana Journalists Association and omobo abino abaso say abino and Zoom Lion and central for nyina aye djuma bom ama aye krabehwe fefefe. Baumia Mons yana Abukari Mahama autoso mienu. Sanction Nana Ayu Afriye Kweku Quartant House Party. Tanoso nsema ekoso ewa ha say Daily Post enso ne dia ode abano en say beyond funding Ghana Medical Trust Fund reviews Cape Coast Teaching Hospital partnership to deliver better care and also eye ensembi a ekoso ewa Cape Coast Teaching Hospital ene Mahama Cares inkita hodie no emu Mamento aso enhwehwe emse enyema bebre a ewo ha no yaka ho asem da ESSIEN accused a business analyst ESSIEN accused of unlawfully detaining Hanan's property. Lawyers demand immediate return. And you know lawyer for AD Hanan ex Hanan asem no ede amano no omuchemu se Iyoko eye nema bia entwaye esan so omodo omonsa ato eye Hanan ejapade eso a emfa emra kwan so nti wei ene ensema ewo the business analyst na okopiemu ewo Brown and Ahafo Echo newspaper na ononso ese Sunyane Queen Mother reaffirms commitment to Ohima Abrokwah initiative. Techiman Traditional Council hands over 310 acres of land to government project. Medinkai Akaho Asem Dadada. Bono region, Ghana AIDS Commission reports 1,145 new HIV cases. And we are Bono regional, and the whole Ghana. Bono region kwano Ghana AIDS Commission ejumekwa omohwe AIDS wonsense mo Ghana has no mo chem say ehono kwano new cases ewo HIV AIDS yare ni mu no 1,145 people new cases and o ma record ewo Ghana has utimi say anoden ankasa say you recorded this amount of new cases also who say wa abonten wono also wonhwe ho ye me kama asema ya na monti ase yo mo de mamu use protection na montinat na wona mo benya ace ne sa na sanso emwa unya ace nyanya kio ani ace ni still na nyanya kio ehun ni ho nti se wunyi mama men kanjo na nsemu video bi eba abonten of a very young girl a chese ne nsema o kan se onu no wanya HIV bi na obecheche ne se bo nya achede obia benya ne de ewo mu akola ketekete saa no na chese de na be ma na wanya akukuduro saa na ode eka sansem no na chese waso na adwebo ani nti no mo so na mo enye responsible na mo de enkwala ye niema no mo benya mo share of the national AIDS case ani nti obi and show we just be careful out there. Just be careful out there. Mami for women in leadership emfa into ase e wa ha say ama mawusi mawonye fear. National Coordinator for Responsible Cooperative Mining and Skills Development and also responsible mining reform gain momentum. Okay, I think we know you can want some enura. You can want some, I don't know if it's the same thing. Okay, into Women and Leadership newspaper and so a day the same thing about and pay. Okay, it's no young high and sounds so insubim. Yefa we no into into newspaper review no ase na efe no. Yen call other segments and so mensa ka say menya ntie say o kese ababe kan say ofia say na yedi empoano nkomo no ababe kan say ofia say ntie say na bomoden fa ka na mekofa no na obefie ha se na be ya mene no ebetwetwe enkomo nti bomoden ase wonni we fidie no emfia say ye ba bedi nkomo bebre ane ye bomoden ase ebetimi ewi ansa na sa na bo ye pese on be lighthouse we so ahe nti no ye bomoden na ye ntwa ye ho ye nkofa ye guest number ye ba ebetu adwumade no so.
We sell gift shop, a place you can rely on. You call on us and we'll deliver. Thank you.
National Petroleum Authority say, Mawo bambo hu hia ukane. Ain't no, stay back and stay safe. National Petroleum Authority ebo bibia kokose se fuel tank enya akwanhia na edane a menko ho nkwaye wadwen se okosesa petrol anafango no ena afenso menye wadwen se wo ben fuel tank enya akwanhia ne ho akwa kodwetwa videos ana pictures na petrol anafango wo hwenso uhua ko wumu a enye sunsun asobone ewo apomeden semso fango nso eho ahometinti no enfomso akitu ebi ebetumi ameja tom ama na gise ewom eba ne saa nipa dodo timi femu hyehye ehwe mo nkwa emeja pade dodo na nso esei eno nti memfa wo nkwa nto chacha enye saa obenu ho nkwa na nyina se wo se fuo tanka bi enya akwanhia na dane amafango no ebugu mpo a hwa na wa aman ho da. Stay back and stay safe. Emomono aya fredum je jumayefo ana posifo no momehwe nso ano utumi nso efre National Petroleum Authority ewo 0302 550 380 kaise wonkwa wo hoi ehu hia bebre esensa afango no kokoboyi National Petroleum Authority ene de bro.